In the bustling world of business, a silent revolution is taking place, a revolution led by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the age where businesses are being reimagined, reshaped, and redefined by the power of AI. The rise of AI in business. Our journey into the realm of AI in business begins with a profound transformation, one where machines are becoming partners in decision-making. AI isn't a distant vision, it's a present-day reality. Businesses of all sizes are incorporating AI into their operations, leading to unprecedented efficiencies. The competitive landscape demands agility and innovation. AI emerges as the driving force behind this transformation, propelling businesses into the future. AI and data analytics. Witness how AI supercharges data analytics, enabling businesses to derive insights from mountains of data. AI-driven data analysis leads to smarter, data-informed decisions, from optimizing supply chains to enhancing customer experiences. Businesses gain a competitive edge by anticipating trends, responding to customer needs swiftly, and delivering products and services with unparalleled precision. Customer engagement and personalization. AI takes center stage in customer engagement, offering personalized experiences round the clock. Meet the friendly AI chatbots, capable of answering queries, resolving issues, and delivering exceptional customer service. Enhanced customer engagement translates to increased customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and ultimately, higher revenues. AI in marketing and advertising. Explore how AI transforms the landscape of marketing and advertising. AI-powered marketing campaigns analyze consumer behavior and preferences, delivering tailored content and advertisements. Businesses witness higher conversion rates, improved ROI, and a deeper understanding of their target audience. Human-AI collaboration. Discover the collaborative future where humans and AI coexist, each leveraging the strengths of the other. AI assists professionals with tasks such as data analysis, research, and even creative endeavors, enhancing productivity. Businesses witness a workforce that's more efficient, innovative, and capable of tackling complex challenges. Ethical considerations and the future of work. As AI becomes integral to business operations, we must address critical ethical considerations. These challenges encompass transparency, bias mitigation, and the responsible use of AI in decision-making. Embracing ethical AI is not just a choice. It is an imperative for businesses to thrive in the future of work. Conclusion: shaping a new business landscape. In closing, AI isn't merely a tool for business. It's shaping a new business landscape, one defined by innovation and adaptability. Whether you're a business leader, an entrepreneur, or someone intrigued by the possibilities, join us in embracing the boundless potential of AI in business. Together, let's redefine the future of work. If this exploration of AI in business has sparked your curiosity, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video, and let's embark on this transformative journey into the future of business powered by the magic of AI.